Welcome everyone to attending Reward 2023 new product launching event. Have been working with the field of animal anesthesia for over 10 years. We've grown with our veterinarian groups and we are together to see the development of animal medical industry. We deeply understand that in order to provide the best value for our clients, it can only be realized by solid product quality, by fantastic use experience, by good after-sales service, and competitive cost effectiveness. So the new product we are going to launch in today is R650 veterinary anesthesia machine. Cutting-edge performance, affordable anesthesia. Compared with the traditional injection anesthesia, the inhalation anesthesia is favored by veterinarians because of its safety and controllability. However, at the early stage of inhalation anesthesia development, it also encountered many challenges. For example, the high price of the equipment and the lack of technology education. In 2015, based on the in-depth exploration of animal surgery, Reward launched the first independently developed and produced pet-specific anesthesia machine, which had fantastic performance and was very popular as soon as it was launched. Since that, Reward also has held hundreds of ventilation and anesthesia training sessions to push the spread of the technology. In 2018, Reward invented the airway pressure monitoring function of the non-rebreathing system. This design reduced the anesthetic risks of cats and other small animals, also driving the development of the function in animal anesthetic market. Adhering the concept of making the ventilation and anesthesia safer, simple, and more worry-free, Reward strive to working hard, and we have launched a series of comprehensive ventilation and anesthesia solutions which can cover diverse veterinarian clinic scenarios. Also, we have frequently won the industry awards. We do appreciate the positive feedbacks from our users and customers, which really driving us keeping forward. Today, we have launched a new generation of animal anesthesia machine, which is an inheritance of the previous generations, also open a new future to animal anesthesia. Now let's focus on the new product itself and take a look on its commendable features. How it will lead in the tendency of animal anesthesia market, how it will ensure the safety of animal patients, and how it will help the vets to deliver surgery and treatment more efficiently and more smoothly. As we all know that the evaporator was called the heart of an anesthesia machine, which plays a significant role in the concentration adjustment of anesthesia. Whereas the evaporator of Reward was specifically designed for animals. In 2011, our evaporator was officially launched to the global market, and it was initially used for the experimental animals and wildlife anesthesia. In the laboratory, it can assist researchers to accurately deliver anesthetic gases for mice as tiny as 10 grams. In 2014, with the start of Chinese wet pet industry, we also had integrated such a sophisticated evaporator into the pet-specific anesthesia machine. Since its development, it has been covered over 15,000 of veterinary hospitals all over the world. Also, we have gained praise from different markets and different countries, which also support that Reward evaporator are really steady and accurate. It's worth mentioning that before leaving the factory, we will do an accurate measurement for each evaporator concentration and conduct an inspection for the whole tank. Every evaporator will attach an inspection report to ensure the quality meet our standard. After focusing on the core components of evaporator, now let's move our attention on the anesthesia machine as a whole. Compared with our previous product, appearance of R650 has higher integrity and the structure design is more sophisticated. During the surgery, the vets can clear to read the required information just by looking up. And the airway control and monitoring functions like oxygen flush, like the airway pressure gauge, they are concentrated in the same area, which allows the operation more convenient and more efficient. In addition, our airway pressure gauge has marked with 3 different colors of green, yellow, red to warn different airway pressure safety level. As a machine used during the surgery, the animal's anesthetic safe must be the first priority. R650 have a very strong advantages in cat anesthesia. Most of the traditional anesthesia machines do not support non-rebreathing system either on structure or on configuration, whereas the rebreathing system have relatively complex structure. For the small animals like cats, it might cause more respiratory resistance. R650 can not only support the connection of breathing system from the structure, but also the corresponding accessories are included in the standard configuration. Apart from that, the unique airway design of R650 can realize the dual airway pressure monitoring of both rebreathing and non-rebreathing system to provide vital and reliable guidance for veterinarians when they are doing the leakage test and positive pressure ventilation. Considering that the occupational hazard of long-term being exposed in the anesthetic gas, the health of veterinarians cannot be ignored. Reward also have merged this concept into our product design. Without increasing our customers' cost, we have abandoned the traditional poor fear dosing method and also adapted a safer easy fill and key fill to avoid the possibility of anesthetic drug leakage issue during the dosing process. In addition, R650 also equipped with a waste gas recycling system which can effectively absorb the anesthetic waste gas in the breathing circuit to comprehensively reduce the risks of vets being exposed in the anesthetic gas. Every time of product upgrading, reward us strive to provide better use experience for our customers. R650 support to connect rebreathing system and non-rebreathing system at the same time and support to switch by one toggle. The toggle indication direction is consist with the circuit layout direction, which is clear to distinguish. Also, we have marked scales on the APL valve and introducing a one-button blocking function. So the vets only need to press the button. They can quickly block the APL valve, and there is no need to rotation again and again, which can effectively enhance the convenience of manual positive pressure ventilation. In terms of the carbon dioxide absorber, we have adapted a check design. So the vets can lift by one hand, slide to the end, which is really time-saving. A fantastic anesthesia machine not only requires excellent performance, but also needs all-round support and service. Reward have professional customer service team which can provide multi-dimension of guidance and continuous technical support surrounding the product assembling, operation and maintenance and etc. to ensure our users can be freely to use the machine. Apart from the product and service, Reward also actively get involved in the establishment of a communication platform we are dedicated to empower for our users group. We have created a column named Reward Vet Academy to regularly invite experts from international and domestic to sharing the anesthesia and other treatment technologies. We are looking forward to facilitate the communication and transfer of knowledge, and indeed to push the whole industry getting positively developed. Where this is the newest R650 veterinary anesthesia machine launched by Reward. From today, we are going to selling this product all over the world. Our partners are located in over 130 countries and regions, so don't be worried not being able to find our product. Cutting-edge performance, affordable anesthesia, that's what we want to deliver from the launching event. We indeed hope that more and more veterinary hospitals can afford excellent anesthesia machine and provide more steady and more reliable anesthesia for our animal patients. Well, that's all about our content today. Thank you so much for your attending and attention. See you next time. Bye.